In this video, I will show you how you can record the screen on any Samsung tablet. Now just watch this video till the end because I will also show you how you can screen record even if your tablet does not support it by default. Now for the first method, just open the control center on your tablet and look for the option of screen recorder. If you cannot find this option in the control center, then after you open the control center, just tap on edit. Now just go to the edit section. Now after that, under the available button section, just look for the option of screen recorder. After you find the option, then just tap on it to add it to the control center. Now select done. Now after that, just tap on the screen recorder icon. Now from here, just select the sound which you want to record in your screen recordings. You can either select none or you can select media. And also you have the option of media and mic. Then finally, you have the option to show taps and touches. Now if you enable this toggle, you will show your taps in your screen recording. Now after you've done that, now just tap on start recording and you will start screen recording. Just like that. And once you're done screen recording, just tap on the square icon over here and you will stop screen recording. Now if you open the gallery app, you will find the screen recording which we have done. Just like that. Now this was the first method, but if your tablet does not support the screen recording feature by default, then just open the Google Play Store and in the search bar just search this. Now just install this app on your tablet. Now after that, just tap on open. And from here, just tap on the X icon. Now at the bottom of the screen, just tap on enable. Now on this page, just scroll down and look for the option of X recorder. Now just enable the toggle for X recorder. And after that, just go back and select allow. Now after you've done that, you will find this small bubble at the side of the screen. Now if you tap on the bubble, you will be able to start screen recording. Now as you can see, you have the option to record the internal audio or the audio from the microphone. And also you have the option for mute. Now I will enable both of these options. And after that, just select start recording. Now just select while using the app. From here, just select share entire screen and tap on share screen. And after you do that, you will start screen recording on your tablet. Just like that. Now once you're done screen recording, just tap on the bubble over here and tap on the square icon. And as you can see, we have successfully recorded the screen on our tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can record the screen on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.